Hey guys, good day. Welcome back to our video unbox with my son as we unbox bread toaster. Since we moved into this house, so we were not having this bread toaster, and the former one we were having, we throw it away when we were moving. So since then, my children were just so craving for bread, because my children cannot do without bread. Mostly Christopher, he like toasting bread a lot. I just decided to order this one that can toast 4 bread. Okay, so today my son is so happy to unbox it. So unbox with him, and let me know under the comment section if your children also do the same thing, because my children love toasting bread a lot. When I mean in short, sometimes sef dey prefer eating bread than food, but trust me, because I do cook, I used to cook always, so that's why I used to force them to eat food. If not, my children, they are ready to be eating bread morning, afternoon, evening, but me, I didn't grow up like that. So Christopher is so happy to unbox this bread toaster, because me, I cannot just tell you that I bought these things for myself. No, me, I don't eat toast bread just like that. Before you see me eating toast bread, I don't even think whether once a month if I dey toast bread sef, they. And because of Christopher and the children, that's why I ordered this bread toaster. So he's so excited to unbox it. Excuse me, so excited to unbox it. So guys, unbox with him. And how do you see this bread? The toaster is so nice. You can also still use it to grate meat, and anything you want to use it for, you are free to use it, because it's very good. You can use it to grate, you can use it to bake. No, not bake. I don't know if you can use it to bake, but you can use it to grate things, meat and shrink, crumbs, all those stuff. So it's very nice, and please help us to share this video. Thank you all for watching. My son can't wait to test this bread toaster. He can't wait to, because they have missed this toasting bread a lot. He is so happy. So that's why I just, okay, as well, I say we are a large family, let me order big